Holy shit, I just saved a family of fucking raccoons. That'll be one for the dash cam.
I can barely hear you.
Yeah, I know, I'm on the car now because the laptop gave out. Holy smokes. I just saved a family of raccoons from being hit.
I can barely hear you.
Okay, then I'll wait until I get home.
Shouting is no good. It's like the microphone is a mile away.
Okay. Okay.
So if you want to tell me anything, you might want to get your Bluetooth in or some shit.
Is this better? Is this any better? No? Okay.
That's why I said get your Bluetooth in or something, because I can't hear you. It's like your microphone is set on the lowest setting possible.